Hello everyone, welcome Dr. Young's Life Tips channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dipped light for Mercedes E200. If you like this video, please do remember subscribe to my channel. Thank you. From here you can see I have the right hand side dipped light not working. My car was made in 2013. Different model may be slightly different, however, very often these models are very similar. So first of all, what you need to do, if your car, like my car, do not have the switch off button, so I will put as automatically. If you do have a switch off button, then you put switch off the light first. Here, I've put off auto position, then you need to take off your key. After take off your key, waiting for about half a minute, then the car will be automatically switch off all the electricities and lighting, which make you safe when you change the light bulb. You need to go down here to open your front cover of your car. Here there is a switch, you can push this one, open your car. So basically the dipped light is here. So on the right hand side, the driver's side, if you go check down there, there is a cover. You can remove the cover just by twist it anti-clockwise. Very easy. Take this cover out, put on the side. You can see the light bulb is in there. What do? Use your hand holding that one. Twist anti-clockwise, you can take the whole lamp out very easily. That knob, you can very easily take the lamp out. After that, you need to remove the lamp from the attachment. Make sure you use gloves. You do not use your hand to holding the bulb, because your hand may have oil, which will reduce the life of the lamp. So just do it like this. You see, you just remove that like this. So replace the new one back here. Make sure you see on the light there is a different angle. You see on the top there is a small structure. Make sure here will touch this area, then push hardly in place. Then what you do is place this light back to inside that hole, but because I will use my hand, I can't, you will not see it. Light in the hole, but I have not put that on yet. What I needed to do, use my finger to holding the back of the light, then twist clockwise, it will be fixed in place. Okay, right now you can see I have installed light in place, which should be okay now. Then what you need to do, you need to put the cover back on. On the passenger side, the dipped light on the side, what you need to go under the cover over that corner. This side a little bit difficult. You make sure if your hand is smaller, you can reach the light. You can see more clearly. You need anti-clockwise to remove the cover first. Then you can see the light bulb inside. Again, very similar to the right hand side. What do you have to do? You have to twist this anti-clockwise to take the lamp out of the light box. Here you can see the bulb, and make sure you use the glove to holding the bulb to remove it from the holder. Then you can check the bulb, you can see clearly. Then you can get a new one from the shop. This one is from Harvard. Basically use your hand to holding the base of the bulb and push hard to install this to the light holder. Then you place the light back to the light box, and again you need to clockwise twist to fix the light in place. You can see closely here, and you fix that. Again here you can see you need to completely put this light in place. Then you put the cover on. Then you finish replace the deep light on the passenger side as well. 欢迎大家订阅老杨生活知识频道，英文名字 Dr. Young's Life Tips Channel。谢谢收看。